The head of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is urging Americans to take precautions as new cases and hospitalizations of COVID-19 have risen over the last week.
I remain deeply concerned about this trajectory. We have seen cases and hospital admissions move from historic declines to stagnations to increases.
But most states are quickly reopening. There are nearly no restrictions anymore in Colorado. Arizona has lifted its mask mandate. And starting this weekend, bars and restaurants in North Carolina can once again serve alcohol until 2 a.m., but tables have to be 6 feet apart.
Actually have increased staff and increased security and doormen to make sure that there's a presence walking around to let people know we are just as excited as you are, but we still are not quite there yet. We still have rules that we're trying to follow.
Restrictions have eased in Maryland, too, even though cases are rising.
I know the president said he'd like to see some return to some sort of normalcy by the 4th of July, but I'd like to see it done by Memorial Day.
Millions of Americans are being vaccinated each day.
I want to get back to see my family. I love traveling.
But right now, only about 15% of the country is fully vaccinated.
It's clear there is a case for optimism, but there is not a case for relaxation.
A new study is being launched in the U.S. to find out just how effective vaccinations are in stopping the transmission of COVID-19. Researchers will monitor vaccinated college students and their close contacts at select universities.
We'll be able to answer the very important question about whether vaccinated people get infected asymptomatically, and if they do they transmit the infection to others?
That study could be another key to determining when American life can finally get back to normal. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.